Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Microneedling is a great treatment for getting rid of fine lines, and there's almost no real downtime.
Spring is the perfect time for the rebirth of your skin. Microneedling procedures have become quite popular and affordable for treating skin problems.
Dr. Deborah Manjoney is back from the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, where they are experts in performing this procedure. We're going to talk a little bit more about it and show you some before and after pictures,
too.
Good
morning.
Great to see you.
Nice to see you.
Spring, time for rebirth,
That's
renewal,
right.
rejuvenation.
Get that skin, fresh skin out to the surface.
What do you like about the micro pen, the microneedling?
It's not laser, so there's no light, there's no really expensive technology involved. It's using a little battery-operated pen that's got multiple little tiny needles in the end that you just kind of keep going on the face, you move it all around, and at certain problem areas you're able to go over it several times. And it's the same principle of some of our fractionated lasers, where we're delivering little puncture wounds to the skin, leaving normal skin in place around it, so you recover very, very quickly. So it's not like doing an entire resurfacing where you're taking off the epidermis or you're taking off the whole surface of the skin. You're leaving little normal areas that can really grow back very quickly. And so usually if you're just having one of these done for a very nice exfoliating effect and to bring new skin to the surface, you don't even have any appearance of having had anything done by the next day.
Okay.
But if there are certain areas that are a problem area, for instance, fine lines around the mouth, this is one of those treatments that really can work well for that. But we may go over that area several times, and so then you may see a little bit more of a redness or an irritation for a few days, but it's easily covered by makeup within 12 hours.
This is a, what, 30-minute procedure?
Yep, it's about a 30-minute procedure, and if you just have these regularly, you can really see lovely results in the skin. So because we're not using laser technology, it is a little bit less expensive than some of our other treatments that we have. You may need more to see a great result, but it really is something that anybody can do. It's great for people who have fine acne scars or a little discoloration.
Yeah.
And it's really good for the fine lines, as I said, especially around the mouth or around the eyes.
Would this be irritating or positive for someone with a little rosacea?
It's not something that we ever recommend for rosacea because we don't want to do anything that's irritating for rosacea.
Okay, so you'd want it for other different issues, the fine lines, different things like that, a little bit of acne.
And just making the skin look more smooth and fine, and the pore size can be affected and really looks improved.
So the principle behind this is that you're kind of injuring the skin a little bit and allowing it to recover and rejuvenate itself, right?
Exactly. That's exactly what we're doing. And so we're using very, very fine needles that you almost don't feel. We do put a little numbing medicine on your face first so that you don't have any discomfort during this procedure, but it feels more just like vibration going across your skin.
Okay. One of the things that I think makes you, excuse me, an exceptional MediSpa is that you can often combine treatments to get an even more enhanced result. I mean, I think about the cool sculpting you do and different things to kind of tighten the skin in those areas or whatever. Are there things that you can do with microneedling that make a nice combination?
Absolutely. We could do microneedling on some areas and then do intense pulse light on the rest of the face, or do microneedling and then do a little bit of a laser procedure on the rest of the face. So we can actually customize and add this in to some of the other procedures, or do a sequence where you're doing some microneedling one week and then you're doing something else the next week. So you can see quicker results and really more generalized results than you can get from any individual treatment.
And one thing you've talked about coupling with it before is the PRP, right?
Yes. Now PRP is that platelet-rich plasma that has the growth factors in it. So we're able to take
We hear a lot about growth factors.
Right. We're able to extract your own blood. You know, we just draw some blood, spin it down in a centrifuge, and then there's a little layer that's left of the platelets above the red cells that kind of go to the bottom, and we're able to pull those off with a needle and a syringe, and then we put those on the surface of the skin after we've made these little tiny needle injuries with the microneedling. And so that helps to get that real important growth factor back to your skin too.
I feel like that's one of the things you always hear about with celebrities. That's the thing that they all do.
The vampire
and the PRP.
It's that same kind of thing, that PRP vampire facial. And you know, we don't really know how much of a difference it makes, that people love it.
They love it. And they swear by it.
Yes, and our clients do too.
Yeah.
You can really like how it looks.
And you can apply makeup, and you should apply sunblock the following day.
The following day.
Okay,
absolutely.
those are things
that in our place, we really are very careful because we are a medical facility. Our our clinicians wear gloves and they're wearing covering, because as you're making these little needle injuries, you're having microscopic bleeding, and we don't want that to spread on anything. So we're very, very careful with our sterility as well.
And right now you have this full bottle of a product. It's called Revision DEJ. It's a treatment product. It's complimentary if you purchase just a series of 3 microneedling treatments. Plus you can get a discount on additional revision products. But this is something you like also in conjunction with the treatment.
Yes, it is. It's something that's going to improve the skin and give a little bit of tightening once you've used it for about 4 to 6 weeks. And so we're introducing it to people. Give it a try, because now you can have it free if you're buying a microneedling series.
Be sure to mention the Morning Blend when you call to book a series of just 3 microneedling treatments, because you can get that full body of Revision DEJ, the treatment product, complimentary, and discounts on other revision products. Mention the Morning Blend again when you call 262-746-9088. They're on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee, or WIMedispa.com. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.